Good morning, students. Last time we had solved some problems from exercise 3.2, that is based on addition and multiplication of matrices. I think up to question number 12 we had done. Today I am going to solve few questions from the same exercise. So I advise you to open your NCERT book and read question number 13. Question number 13 is, if fx is this one, fx is given, then we have to show that fx into fy is equal to f of x plus y. Fx is this matrix 3 by 3, its order is 3 by 3. We have to show fx into fy is equal to f of x plus y. So fx is given, find out fy. You can see x is replaced by y. So inside the matrix, each entries, in each entries, x will be replaced by y. So this one will be cos x, so x is replaced by y, so it will be cos y minus sin y, 0, sin y, cos y, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now I am going to find out fx into fy, fx into fy. So see, this one is fx, this one is fy. Now this is the matrix multiplication of two matrices. So consider first row of the first pre-matrix and first column of the post matrix. Multiply corresponding entries and add them. So what we have, cos x into cos y, this one, plus minus sin x minus sin y, that will be minus sin x minus sin x sin y, into 0, that is 0. Okay, so the first entry will be cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Now first row and second column of the post matrix. So cos x into minus sin y, that is minus cos x sin y, minus sin x into cos y, that is minus sin x cos y, and 0 into 0, that is 0. Okay, now first row and third column. So see, cos x into 0, that is 0, minus sin x into 0, that is also 0, and 0 into 1, that is also 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 will be equal to 0. This one, the third entry, first row, last entry means third entry of the fx into fy matrix. Okay, now consider second row, first column, that will be sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, plus 0 into 0, that is 0. Now second row, second column, so sin x into minus sin y, that is minus sin x sin y, minus sin x sin y, plus cos x into cos y, that is cos x cos y, plus 0 into 0, that is 0. So second row and second entry, second row and second column entry will be minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y. Now second row, third column, so sin x into 0, that will be 0, cos x into 0, that will be also 0, 0 into 1, that is also 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, that will be equal to 0. You can see here, I have written here 0. Now third row, first column, 0 into cos y, that is 0, plus 0 into sin y, that is 0, plus 1 into 0, that is 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is 0. This one, third row, first column entry. Third row, second column, 0 into minus sin y, 0, 0 into cos y, 0, 1 into 0, that is 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is equal to 0. You can see here, I have written here 0. Now third row, third column, 0 into 0, 0, plus 0 into 0, 0, plus 1 into 1, 1. So what we have, third row, third column entry, 0 plus 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1. You can see, I have written 1. Now see, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, that is the formula of cos x plus y. that is cos x plus y. 1th entry, first row, first column entry. This one you can see from these two terms here, minus is common, so minus is here. Now when we take minus as a common, it will become sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, that is equal to sin a plus b. So sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, that is equal to cos, that is equal to sin x plus y. So that is minus, that have taken common. After that it will become sin x sin y plus sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, that is sin x plus y. So that is the minus sign, and that is the formula sin x plus y, and that is 0. It will be 0. Now sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, that is sin x plus y. And from here you can see this is of the form cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y is cos x plus y. So that is cos x plus y. Okay, here, and that is 0. So that will be 0. Now this one is 0, here 0, 0, here 0, here 1, here 1. Now you can see this is a 3 by 3 matrix, and if you see here, if x is replaced by x plus y, then what we have? Cos x plus y minus sin x plus y, 0, sin x plus y, cos x plus y, 0, 0, 0, 1. The same is here, and x is replaced there, f of x plus y. Okay, so that this matrix is nothing but that is f of x plus y, and our left hand side is what? Fx into fy, that is equal to f of x plus y. Okay. Now read question number 15. Question number 15. Question number 15 is, a matrix A is given there, that is 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0. Okay, and we have to find a square minus 5a plus 6i. Okay, see this, I am going to find out this, that is the solution of this question. Find out a square. A square is what? A into a. Here a is, this is 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0. And a again, that is 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0. Now multiply these two, that is a square. So a square is, see, first row, first column, 2 into 2, 4, plus 0 into 2, 0, plus 1 into 1, 1. So 4 plus 0 plus 1, that is 5. Now first row, second column, 2 into 0, that is 0, 0 into 1, that is 0, and 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. So 0 plus 0 minus 1, that will be minus 1. Now first row, third column, 2 into 1, 2, plus 0 into 3, 0, plus 1 into 0, that is 0. So that is 2 plus 0 plus 0, that is 2. Now second row, first column, so 2 2 ja 4, 1 2 ja 2, and 3 1 ja 3. So what we have? 4 plus 2 plus 3. 4 plus 2, that is 6, plus 3, that is 9. Okay. Now second row, second column, 2 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, 3 into minus 1 minus 3. So 1, this is 0, minus 1, This is 2 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, and 3 into 1, and 3 into minus 1, minus 3. That is minus 2. So this term will be minus 2. Now second row, third column. So 2 1s are 2, plus 1 3s are 3, and plus 3 into 0, 0. That is 5. That one is 5. Now third row, first column. 1 2s are 2, plus minus 1 into 2, minus 2, and plus 0 into 1, that is 0. So that will be 0. And first, third row, second column. 1 into 0, 0, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 0 into minus 1, 0. That is minus 1. And third row, third column. 1 into 1, 1, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, and 0 into 0, 0. That is minus 2. This one, third row, third column. 1 into 1, 1, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, 0. That one will be minus 2. That is a square. That is your a square. Nothing is there. That is simply multiplication of a into a. Now minus 5a. See, find out 5a. So what will be 5a? A matrix is multiplied by a scalar. So that will be equal to multiplication of that scalar with the all entries of that matrix. So see, a is this one. So 5a will be what? 5 2s are 10, 5 0s are 0, 5 1s are 5. This is 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, and 5 into minus 1, minus 5, and this is 0. Okay, that one. And plus 6i. 6i. See, I is an identity matrix. So that will be 6 into, because the sum of these three terms will be defined, and because a square is a matrix of order 3 by 3, 5a is a matrix of order 3 by 3, so clearly this 6i must be a matrix of order 3 by 3. That's why I must be an identity matrix of order 3 by 3. So that will be 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, that is equal to, this is 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6. Okay, so that is a square, that is a square, that is 5a, and that is 6i. Now I am going to find out this one, that is a square minus 5a plus 6i, that is equal to, तो आप देखो इसमें से इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, इसको ऐड करना है, तो आप इसमें से 5 minus 10, that is 5 minus 10 and plus 6. This one. After that, minus 1 minus 0, minus 1 minus 0 and plus 0. After that, 2 minus 5, 2 minus 5 and plus 0. Okay, after that 9 minus 10, 9 minus 10 and plus 0. After that minus 2 minus 5, minus 2 minus 5 and plus 6. Okay, इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, इन दोनों को ऐड करना है, तो वही मैं कर रहा हूँ. 5 minus 15, 5 minus 15 and plus 0. This one is 0 minus 5, 0 minus 5 and plus 0. This one minus 1 minus 1 minus plus 5 and plus 0. This one is minus 5, so when we subtract it, it will be plus 5. And the last one minus 2 minus 0, minus 2 minus 0 and plus 6. Okay, so that one is the required matrix. So it will be equal to, that is equal to, see, that is equal to, this is 6 plus 5 11 minus 10, that is 1. This is minus 1 and this is minus 3, that is minus 1, that is 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, and 5 minus 15, that is minus 10, that is minus 5, that is plus 4, and that is plus 4. So that is your answer. That is the required matrix. Okay. So that is question number 15. Now read question number 17. Question number 17. You can check the answer. Answer will be given there. Question number 15, exercise 3.2. Question number 15, exercise 3.2. This is 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 10 minus 5 4 4. That is correct. Okay. Now question number 17. Now question number 17 is, question number 17. If A is given, A is a matrix, that is 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2, and I is given 1 0 0 1, that is identity matrix of order 2. Find K. To find K, if it is given that A square is equal to, if A square is equal to Ka minus 2i. Okay. Ka minus 2i. See, so this one is given. So from here it will be A square means A into A, that is Ka minus 2i. That is A is 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2, A again 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. That is equal to K, A, that is 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. Okay. And minus 2i. Minus 2i is 1 0 0 1. So this can be transferred to this side. First you multiply these two matrices. What we have, that will be 3 into 3 9 minus 2 into 4 8. First row, second column, 3 2 ja minus 6. This is plus 4. This is 4 3 ja 12 minus 8. 4 2 ja 8 plus 4. Minus 8 and minus 1 is plus 4. Okay. And that is equal to, this is actually this one will be 3k minus 2k, 4k and minus 2k minus that one is 2 0 0 2. So it will be, see, that is 1, that is minus 2, that is 4 and that is minus 4, and that is equal to 3k minus 2, this is minus 2k, that is 4k and that is minus 2k minus 2. This. Now two matrices are equal only when their corresponding entries are equal. Clearly this one will be equal to this one. So from here we get, minus 2k is equal to minus 2. Clearly k will be equal to 1. Okay, you can check the answer. This is question number 17 of exercise 3.2. K will be equal to 1. K is equal to 1. Now question number 19. Question number 19. Question number 19 is, a trust fund has rupees 30,000 that must be invested in two different types of bonds. The first bond pays 5% interest per year and the second bond pays 7% interest per year. Using matrix multiplication, determine how to divide rupees 30,000 among the two types of bond if the trust fund must obtain an annual interest of A first 1800 and B 2000. So I am going to solve by taking any one of the two, and you will solve another one. So question is there that there are 30,000 rupees in a fund, and the institute or whatever is there, the trust wants to invest this 30,000 in two bonds. One bond gives 5% per annum interest, and another bond gives 7% per annum interest. And after 1 year, annual interest becomes 2,000 rupees. That is B1. That is 2,000 rupees. Then how much money should be invested in the two bonds? So I am going to take, let the money invested in two bonds rupees X and rupees 30,000 minus X respectively. Okay, 5% पर annum इंटरेस्ट जो दे रहा है उसमें x रुपये इन्वेस्ट किए और 30,000 माइनस x रुपये बचा उसको इन्वेस्ट कर दिए 7% पर annum वाले में। अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन, अब इसको हम मैट्रिक्स के फॉर्म में लिखें तो आप देखो ये फर्स्ट हो गया और ये सेकेंड 30,000 माइनस x हो गया, और फर्स्ट पे मिल रहा है 5% मींस 5/100 रुपये ऑफ x, एंड अंदर पे मिल रहा है 7%, सो 7/100। ओके, और टोटल एनुअल इंटरेस्ट मिल रहा है 2,000। तो ये मैंने मैट्रिक्स के फॉर्म में लिख दिया। ये देखो आप, ये 1/2 का मैट्रिक्स है और ये 2/1 का है, तो इसके जो नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स है इसके नंबर ऑफ रोज के बराबर है। तो इन दोनों को जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो एक 1/1 का मैट्रिक्स हमें मिल जाएगा। दैट विल बी इक्वल टू x into 5/100, 5/100 x and plus this one into this one, 7/100, 30,000 minus x. Okay, that is equal to, this is 2,000. Okay, now this is a matrix of order 1/1, that is also a matrix of order 1/1, and the two matrices are equal. That's why clearly their corresponding entries will be equal. So we have 5/100x plus 7/100 into 30,000 minus x equal to 2,000. Now we will solve this simple equation. We will get the values of investment in two bonds. See, from here we will get 5x and plus 7 3s are 21, 1 2 3 4 zeros minus 7x and that is equal to, this is 2000 into 100. 100 से हमने divide कर दिया both side, so that will be 2000 into 100 it will be. Now what we have, that is 5x minus 7x, that will be minus 2x, and that is 2 lakh, actually minus 2 lakh 10,000. Okay, so we have minus 2x is equal to minus 10,000. Okay, so from here x is equal to what? Is it correct? Yes, that is 5,000, and another will be rupees 30,000 minus x, that is 30,000 minus 5,000, that is 25,000. So see the answer, that should be 5,000 and 25,000. Exercise 3.2, 5,000 and 25,000. Okay, so that is rupees 5,000, and this one, second one is rupees 25,000, and that is solved by using matrix method. Now read next question, question number 20.